depression, distraction. We're usually wanting increased symptoms, reduced symptoms, right? Tells us that there's some type of nerve root involvement. So that's reasonable of the neck. Is this anybody's? I just didn't want to. Anybody's? Just didn't want to knock it off or throw it away and someone be waiting to come back and claim it. What is this sign in the low back? This we're here. Pull up.
Slump.
Slump, right? What's slump tell us? That nerve tension, right? We're doing nerve tension test. So it would be a sciatic nerve tension test. Straight leg raise, right? Laying on my back. It's kind of like a hamstring, but we're not doing 90-90. We just got the leg straight. Remember, we can, I rest from my goniometer because I keep it there. We can measure. So if I raise the leg up, I can measure they get to 50 degrees, and then I'm looking for what? What am I looking for? What makes it a positive straight leg raise? They'll feel something usually, but they usually we need them to feel like nervy type of symptoms, not a hamstring stretch, right? So we're going to usually compare the straight leg raise with the hamstring, right? 90-90 test. Are those numbers close, right? And again, we're going to compare bilaterally. So if I lift this one up to 50 degrees and they're like, whoa, 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 you know, I feel numbness or tingling or whatever, and I lift the other one up to 90, that's certainly a good indication that that's positive. 50 is way different than 90. If I lift them both up and they're both to 65, because a hamstring's weird, right? No one likes to have that. Anyone loves stretching their hamstrings? I mean, not a lot of people really love. It's kind of a burning, kind of ripping sensation anyway. So you kind of have to compare this bilaterally for sure, right? So that's straight leg raise. What's another one? Crossed straight leg. Remember a cross straight leg raise? Cross straight leg raise is when I lift this leg and something actually happens to the other side. Your book tells us that sometimes that can mean that it's a more severe problem, or it can mean that the herniated disc is medial to the nerve root, right? So we got nerve roots, right? And instead of being lateral to the nerve root, it's medial to the, so a more central protrusion. So when it's affecting this side as well as this side. You understand that? So that's a cross straight leg raise. So those are some of the spinal tests that we should be looking for. How about what's another nerve in the? We just learned this last week. What's another nerve stretch that we would do besides the sciatic? Femoral, right? It looks like what test that we do for the hip?
Eli's.